Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the wiper blades on your Volkswagen Atlas. First, gather your new wiper blades and a soft towel to protect your windshield. Park your vehicle on a level surface and ensure the ignition is completely off. Then, gently lift both wiper arms away from the windshield into their service position. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process for both front wipers. Now, let's remove the old wiper blades. Locate the small release tab where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly and slide the old blade straight off the hook. Be very careful to hold the wiper arm securely, as it can snap back and potentially damage your windshield. Placing a soft towel on the glass provides excellent protection during this step. Repeat for the other side. With the old blades removed, it's time to install the new ones. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Gently slide the new blade onto the hook until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly in place. Ensure the blade faces the correct direction for optimal performance. Repeat this process for the second wiper. Finally, let's test your newly installed wiper blades. Carefully lower both wiper arms back onto the windshield, ensuring they rest flat. Turn on your vehicle's ignition and activate the wipers. Observe their movement across the glass. They should operate smoothly, without any streaking or chattering. This quick test confirms proper installation and ensures clear visibility during inclement weather. Enjoy your clear view.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.